we'll do Virabhadrasana. Virabhadrasana 1, Virabhadrasana 2. Virabhadrasana 1 is warrior pose. Virabhadrasana 2 is balancing posture. So we'll start. Feet together. Take left leg forward. Right slightly turned out like a half V pose. The body should be straight. Now exhale here. From the front, raise your arms, inhale, simultaneously bend your knee, front knee, back knee should be straight, palms together, look straight. Exhale, drop your arms and knees straight. Inhale, raise your arms, bend your knee. Exhale, drop your arms, knees straight. Inhale, raise your arms and bend your knee, palms together. Exhale. Inhale, raise your arms and bend your knee, stay there. From here, just go for Vimanasana. Exhale, lift your right leg up. Eyes should be focused on the floor, arms by the sides. Now, inhale, arms front, slightly right leg up. Exhale, inhale, drop your leg, arms up. Exhale, drop your arms and knees straight. One more round. Inhale, raise your arms, bend your knee. Exhale, like a Vimanasana. Inhale, arms front. Virabhadrasana 2. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale, drop your arms and knees straight. Leg back. Do it on the other leg, same way. Right leg forward. Turn your left, look straight. Exhale here. Inhale, raise your arms, slightly bend your knee, look straight. Exhale, drop your arms and knees straight. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Now, from here, Vimanasana, eyes should be focused on the floor. Lift your left leg up. Arms from the side slowly come up. Inhale, arms front. Slightly lift your left leg up. Exhale. Inhale, drop your leg, Virabhadrasana. Exhale, drop your arms and knees straight. One more round. Inhale. Exhale, eyes should be focused on the floor. Lift your leg. Inhale, arms front. Exhale. Inhale, drop your leg, arms up. Exhale. Left leg should be back. And thank you.